Choosing the right compressor, one of the most decisions when you're building your freezer room or cold room, because there is too many difference of compressors. Today we're going to show you the most common compressor that used in the commercial and industrial refrigeration, because choosing the wrong compressor that's mean more power, also more maintenance. Also, we're going to see the pricing, which one is more affordable, which one is more expensive, when do you need to use this compressor or that compressor. Let's take you to the website and let's start it. This is the most compressor used in commercial and industrial refrigeration. So starting from small compressor, and then we go to the large and the big cooling capacity. So we're starting with the scroll compressor one. I just want to show you very quick like how it is work, this compressor. So as we can see here, it's very pretty easy, this compressor. So there is two parts in this compressor. One is moving and one is fixed. So the gas enter to the compressor and go to the center where it compresses high pressure, high temperature. The advantage of scroll compressor is very high energy efficiency, less power. Also, it's very quiet. Other things is the good things about this compressor is very low maintenance. It's just only two parts, so that's why it's very low maintenance, and it's not easy to break down. This is the good things about it. The disadvantage about this compressor, if breakdown, is not easy to fix. So sometimes it's worth to just replace it. It's not worth to fix it. Just replace it with new compressor. It's better than fix this compressor. This compressor, disadvantage is not suitable also for very large cooling capacity, big cold rooms. It can go like from 1 horsepower until 10 horsepower. I recommend it. So it's most common application use like small walk-in chiller, walk-in freezer, display supermarket is also working. So let me just give you an idea about the pricing about scroll compressor, so you can get better idea. We can see this is the most brands use: Copeland, Envitic, like Chinese company, Danfoss, Panasonic. We're going for the most famous one is Copeland, is US company, and see how is the pricing. There is two model, or there is actually more than two models. This is ZP, used for it can be used for low and high temperature. ZFI used for very low temperatures, can go to -30. So let's go and see the ZP model. We can see the price here is like 200, 300, 10 horsepower, it's 660. Just remember this one so we can compare it with the others compressor. The second compressor is semi-hermetic compressor. So the semi-hermetic compressor is the most common used compressor. It can go from the large to small. Just to show you how it is work, there is two parts. One is electric, the motor, and there is also the mechanic part. So we can see the gas or refrigerant go in suction line and then compress. The semi-hermetic compressors use the pistons and cylinders to compress the refrigerants. It's similar to the car engine, guys. So it's very easy to understand, and it's called semi-hermetic because we can open it, we can maintenance. It's easy to maintain compared with the scroll compressor. So the advantage of this compressor is, as I say now, it's easy to if there is any problem to open this compressor, change the gas, change the gasket, change the oil. So that's the good thing. So you can run it for even 15 to 25 years. And the other things is have very, like, it can go from 1 horsepower until 100 horsepower. Also there is multiple like refrigerant, R22, 404, 449, 134. This all gas can go run with this compressor. So it's very high reliable, and it can be like used for the low temperature, high temperature, cold rooms. So this is about this compressor. And the disadvantage for this compressor is the price. If we will see now, the price is a little bit higher. The second is require maintenance. You need to do maintenance for this compressor. You need like 1 year, you need to change the oil in this compressor. You need to check it. So the maintenance and the price, this is the disadvantage. It used for the best use for the large cold rooms, small cold rooms. Also use also for ice maker, meat. So you can and just to give you an idea about the semi-hermetic compressor pricing, there is too many type of companies. The top brand is Bitzer. There is Chinese brand. There is also Italian, and book is German. By the way, this book now we're going to change maybe to Danfoss took it. Okay, let's go to Bitzer and see. So we will see the pricing here start from from 1,500. The scroll compressors are from 200, 300. That's the difference, guys. So we're going to check how much will cost. This is 10 horsepower. We will see semi-hermetic. How much is it? 10 horsepower. What is 10? So you see like 4,000. Even can go for the. So this is 9 horsepower. It's like 2,000, guys. This is 10. This is 10. Just to give you an idea. This is 10 horsepower Bitzer. You will see the price is very huge different. This is 2,175, and if you check the scroll, is 665. So as we say, this scroll compressor recommended until 1 to 10 HP horsepower. This one can go even to 100 horsepower with no problem. And what if we need like 200 horsepower, 300 horsepower? Now we move to the screw compressor. So if we need very large cooling capacity, now we go to the screw compressor. This is very huge, guys. I will show you now how it is work. So as we see now, this is screw compressor. There is male and female. There is 2 parts here. So it's sucking the gas or suction line. It goes the low gas, like low temperature, and there is a screw the gas in the middle with the high pressure to become high pressure and high temperature, as we see now in this video. So the advantage of this compressor is extremely high cooling capacity. I said like it can go from 50 horsepower until 1,000 horsepower. So it's very crazy to use. The second thing, it's also like smooth operations. It's easy. It can run 24 hours, no problem. Very reliable. Like if we compare it with the others, it need like less maintenance. It can run 24 hours, years with no problem. You still need to do some maintenance, but it's very less maintenance. High efficiency. And the good things about this screw compressor, you can control the cooling capacity. You can by 25%, 50%, 75%, even 100. So it can, it's easy to control the cooling capacity, and it can go like it can be used for even low temperature cold rooms. It can go like -30. So this is where is use this one for the large storage warehouse, also food processing factories, also IQF freezing. This is the most one to use. Ice cream factory, it also can be used. The disadvantage for this compressor is the price. Price is actually go like more higher in this one. Also it require technicians. It require very good technicians to install this compressor. This is the main things. Let me show you the pricing about this compressor, so you can let me show you the pricing about screw compressor, so you can get better idea if you have any project in future. So the main compressor steel bits are here. We will see the bits are company. So we see the pricing, guys, here. It's like 30 horsepower, 6,000. And you know, this compressor, I say like it can go 280 horsepower, 29,000, $58,000. So this one is like very cold, very big cooling capacity. I will show you now this one. This one is 90. So just to give you an idea how it is works, see, this used in the rack system. It's more complicated, that's why I say you need good technicians. And you can see these pictures here. See this rack system here. I did video in my YouTube channel, you can see it, guys. So there is 1, 2, 3, like 5 scroll compressor. This is very huge cooling capacity, guys. That's what used for this kind of compressor. So we know now scroll and semi-hermetic screw compressor. And how about this compressor? It's two-step compressor. Two-step compressor, this is also used for very low temperature. If you have freezing tunnel, or if you want like minus 35, minus 40, this one is recommended. There is Bitzers, also German company. There is also Chinese company. This is the best use for the two-step compressor. Just make it easy for you. If you have very small cold room, walk-in chiller and freezer, this one is the best one to use. If you have large cold room, medium and large cold room, this ones can be used semi-hermetic. And if you have like, you want to have cold room and you need minus 40, minus 35 for fast cooling, you know, freezing, then it's recommended to use two-step compressor. And screw compressor, this one, as we said, it goes for the very large project. This one is recommended. It can go very high cooling capacity. This is the website. You can have a look to compare the pricing, and if you need anything, you can just request shipping and add your details. We can also reply to you as soon as possible if you need any compressor in future. Next time I'm going to do video about the condenser. It is also the same as we say in compressor. Also we have condenser, we have monoblock units, scroll condenser units, and semi-hermetic compressor condenser unit. And if you have any questions, if you have any doubts, please let me know. And cheers.